What is going on, fellow pyros? We're coming back at you with Black Scorpion 500 gram cake called Neon Fusion. As you can see right here, it is a 25 shotter. So, there is a picture that China says depicts what the performance should look like. And our performance is the best brocade crowns with neon stars and gold glittering tails and mines. A peek on the inside. We got some nice 1-inch tubes. Again, 25 shot, 5 rows of 5. Got this from Bada Boom Firework out of Blakesley, PA. Again, we have Black Scorpion Neon Fusion 500 gram cake, 25 shots. Let's check it out and see what you guys think. We'll see you in a few seconds.